How to schedule K-1 file on H&R Block. Let's get started. Start by gathering your Schedule K-1 form, which you should have received from the partnership, S-Corporation, state, or trust that issued it. Verify that all information on the form is accurate, including the entity's EIN and your share of income, deductions, and credits, and any additional notes provided. Log into your H&R Block Online account. Then begin or continue your tax return. Navigate to the Income section, locate the Other Income or Business Investments category, and select the option to add or edit a Schedule K-1. Next, choose the appropriate type of Schedule K-1 based on the issuing entity, partnership, S-Corporation, or state or trust. Input the basic information from your Schedule K-1, such as the entity's name, address, and EIN. Then transfer all details from the form, including income, interest or dividends, deductions, and credits. Be sure to carefully match the entries with the corresponding boxes on your K-1 form. If your Schedule K-1 includes supplemental codes or additional instructions, such as those related to passive activity limitations, foreign income, or state-specific adjustments, H&R Block will prompt you to enter the relevant details. Use the software's error check tool to review your entries and confirm accuracy, ensuring that all the values align with your Schedule K-1. Once the Schedule K-1 details are entered, proceed with completing the rest of your tax return. H&R Block will automatically incorporate the K-1 information into your overall tax calculations, factoring in any additional taxes, deductions, or credits. After reviewing your return, file it electronically or print and mail it if necessary. Retain a copy of your Schedule K-1 for your records. If you have multiple K-1s, repeat this process for each form. Be mindful of passive activity rules that may limit the deduction of certain losses, and consider consulting a tax professional if your Schedule K-1 includes complex items like foreign transactions. By following these steps, you can accurately report your Schedule K-1 information using H&R Block. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.